Hello, if you got an issue that the variation reviews are dismerged and you want to combine them back, you have to follow a process. It's only two-step process, and if you make it perfectly, you will have all the reviews combined back. Let's proceed. Here is a product. You can see it is sharing 560 review for this color. And if we go for the second color, the reviews are 257. And if we go for this one, it is sharing 27. And this variation is sharing a different color like 331 reviews. It's a big damage, mess of listing reviews, and it's affecting their overall sales. Because whenever someone is searching their product name on Amazon at product detail page, this is the product detail page, people are seeing less reviews for them. Whenever they are searching at search page, people are saying 331 reviews, for some for 200. But if these five all combined, this will be four figure instead of this three figure, so it can increase their click-through rate and it can boost their sales up. I will fix it up in front of you and I will explain full process. There is a two-step process. First, we need to download category listing report. It's just like a backup. Whenever you have an issue, whenever you have something deleted mistakenly, if you have this report, you can retrieve that data. The second thing is, firstly, you downloaded this and then you need to check the product type, feed type, and item type keyword. It's like product category. You need to check product category, but in the feed file in this report, the name of these columns will be feed type and item type keywords. If they are same, you are almost half of the way. You just need to create a ticket with Amazon, and Amazon will solve this issue. Now you can go live chat and communicate with Amazon, give them the parent ASIN that this is our parent ASIN and reviews in the variations are not combined. They will review and combine that up. They will refresh the backend and it will be sorted out in next 48 hours. If the item type, keyword, or feed type is not same, like if the product category is not same, then you have to go through a long process, because first challenge is to have the same category for all the variations. I will walk you through the process now. I have downloaded this report, category listing report. Let me first explain how you can download this category listing report. You have to click on menu bar, then you have to go on reports and inventory reports. In the inventory reports, you will see option here, category listing report. Click here and request the report. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Randomly, if your catalog is small, it will be available for download right away. Otherwise, it will take some time and it will be processing for a while, and after that you can download it. Here I have already downloaded, and there are two columns, C column and K column. C is product type, feed type, the main category, and here is item type, keyword. Sometime in in these reports you see browse node, like there will be a code for that category. You can have both depending on the category, but you need to make these all same, like these are pants, so all the variations must share the same feed type, which must be pants. And in the item type, all will show the same, like these are leggings, so all will show leggings. That's the hack. It must be same for all the variations, then Amazon will combine your reviews. So we made it same, and now we will go at menu bar again, add product via upload, and we will upload this file back here and we can check the status here. Once this is processed, we can see our category is same or not, if is it changed or not. If it's changed, well, if not, then we have to generate a ticket first to have our category. So these were the two things we have to check. First process was, if the feed type, item type, keyword are same, we just need to open a case. And here we have gone through a process. First we made the category same, and now we are at same position that all the child have same category. There are fair enough chances Amazon system will automatically combine up all the reviews now. But if they are still not combined, you have to generate another ticket with Amazon by clicking here on help and get help and resources. You can just create a new case. There is a browse node you can follow, or just my issue is not listed, and you can write the case here and then continue. What you will be writing that this is our parent ASIN, and these all have same category, same browse node, but the reviews are not combined at product detail page. This page is called product detail page, where people can see all the detail of your product. Amazon will review along with you if you are done with live chat, and Amazon, you have to confirm that all must share same GL type. GL type is actually at the backend, the category Amazon system have. So if they make sure that all of the ASINs having same GL type, then you have to say, please refresh the backend of these all listings, and they will do right away, and it will take 48 hours to combine up all the reviews, and after that you will have all the reviews combined. If still not combined, you have to follow up the cases proactively, and this process, repeat the process, and make sure all the childs have same category, and then open case and follow up. Amazon will sort it out eventually. That's all.
And that's it. Hope you understand all the things. If you have any confusion or any question, you can ask me anytime in the inbox or in the chat box in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.